The world's demand for artificial intelligence and compute power is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. AI, cloud computing, and digital services are driving a surge in data center capacity, reshaping how power is generated, distributed, and consumed. But behind every byte is a physical reality. Data centers are no longer just IT infrastructure. They are complex industrial environments combining power generation, cooling systems, and thousands of interconnected assets working together to deliver continuous uptime. And in this world, downtime is not an option. Today's facilities are being pushed harder than ever. Higher density AI workloads, rising energy demands, and limited thermal margins are creating new challenges. Cooling systems must perform flawlessly. Backup power must respond instantly. Even small failures in pumps, fans, valves, or transmitters can escalate into costly outages. In fact, more than 60% of data center outages exceed $100,000, with many surpassing $1 million, making modern asset monitoring essential. Across every data center, uptime depends on critical mechanical systems, fans, pumps, compressors, generators, and turbines, along with thousands of instruments and control valves. With limited personnel, traditional maintenance can't keep up. Operators need real-time visibility across every asset, system, and site. That's where Emerson's AMS reliability portfolio comes in. From turbines and generators to chillers, pumps, cooling towers, and balance of plant assets, AMS provides a unified approach to condition monitoring. With high-quality vibration data, AI-driven insights, and connected instrumentation, operators can detect issues early, before they impact uptime. In cooling systems, even a small rise in condenser water temperature can reduce chiller capacity by up to 30%. A failing fan or motor can create hotspots and lead to shutdowns. With next-generation solutions like the AMS Asset Monitor and AMS Wireless Vibration Monitor, these risks can be identified weeks or months in advance. For on-site power generation, reliability is equally critical. Gas turbines and generators must respond instantly during grid disturbances. With the AMS 6500 ATG machinery protection system, operators gain continuous protection with high-fidelity vibration data and early fault detection, including bearing wear, imbalance, and mechanical stress. And it's not just mechanical equipment. With AMS Device Manager, operators gain visibility into thousands of instruments and control valves, detecting issues like sensor drift, calibration problems, and communication faults before they impact performance. Paired with mobile tools like the AMS Trex Device Communicator, issues can be resolved quickly without interrupting the process. All of this data comes together in a connected ecosystem, where insights are prioritized, workflows automated, and decisions driven by real-time asset health. The result? Earlier fault detection, reduced downtime, improved efficiency, enhanced safety, and greater operational confidence. Because in a data center, reliability isn't just about keeping systems running. It's about protecting performance, safeguarding revenue, and supporting the digital infrastructure the world depends on. With AMS reliability, you stay ahead of failures. Learn more at our Asset Performance and Reliability for Data Centers webpage, or get in touch